Peace. Today's supreme mathematics is knowledge equality. Listen. Knowledge is to know, look, listen, observe, and also respect, right? Equality is to be equal and fair in everything. So pay attention to this jewel. When I look at knowledge equality, it's definitely talking about us. As being civilized and righteous people, we are the gods and earths of this nation. So when you look at your knowledge degree and your student enrollment and ask the question, who is the original man? The Asiatic black man, the maker, the owner, cream of the planet Earth, father of civilization, God of the universe. When you look at lost found number 2, the equality degree, it asks, what is the total weight of our planet? 6 septillion tons, a unit followed by 21 ciphers. Now, that's talking about us. Now, I know in 120, there's God and there's earth mentioned, but we're talking about foundational, God of the universe, earth in the universe. When you look at that 21 in your supreme alphabet, what is that? You, a universe. You in the universe, right? So now being God of earth comes with a responsibility. That don't mean that you participate in uncivilized acts. So when you look at your knowledge equality degree, it asks the question, who is the 5% of the poor part of the planet Earth? They are the poor righteous teachers who don't believe in the teachings of the 10%, who are all wise, know who the true and living God is, who teach that the true and living God is the Son of Man, black man from Asia, who teach freedom, justice, and equality to all human families of the planet Earth, otherwise known as civilized people, also Muslims and Muslim sons. Now, we don't take that poor on face value. You're supposed to be clean, mentally and physically, and upright in the Zat. Because if I know you dealing in equality, I want some. And I'm going to ask you questions. So I'm going to do the knowledge so I can deal in equality. Go get the knowledge and bring it back to your foundation so you can deal in equality within your universe. If you know it, share it. Plain and simple. And with that, I say peace to the 5% nation, the gods of earth and the babies. I be Power C, born the law.